Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you'll want to open up your standalone contacts application, like this one right over here. Next, click on the three dots and choose Settings. Gonna now find import option somewhere in here. Oh, there we go, import contacts. Now we don't need to allow notifications. Or I guess we do have to, because why the fuck wouldn't we be able to import contacts without letting the application be able to spam us with notifications? Fantastic. Screw you, Samsung. Okay. Anyway, next we have the options where we want to import contacts from. So for me, that's going to be the SIM card. It will then display all the contacts that are located on my SIM card. I can quickly select all of them by stopping right there. Maybe I want most of them. I can also deselect ones that I don't want. And then click on Done. Choose where you want to import contacts to. As you can see, we have a plethora of options. I'm going to choose Phone. Click Import. And that's it. Contacts have been imported, and I'm still not exactly sure why we needed to give it permission to send us notifications where there was not a single freaking notification in sight. So you should be able to see your contacts right here. And while we're at it, you know what, because it just pisses me off, let's click on the recent, click on the icon for your contacts, App Info, not notifications, actually no, notifications, and allow notifications, go piss off, and yeah, know your place. And there we go, we just fixed the problem of giving this trash app ability to send us notifications for no freaking reason. So yeah, we can now remove it, as it literally serves no purpose rather than just Samsung being able to spam you for some reason, or probably gather some data from this. So yeah, there's no reason to give it. Anyway, you can see, even after turning off notifications, we still have our contacts visible, because it was a useless option. Anyway, with that being said, hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.